Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video we will implement a real-time text search. When user will start typing in this text field, then the data will be fetched against that query without typing on this search icon. So initially this may seem a simpler one, but when we implement this, then we need to consider certain cases which need to be covered to make this function correctly. So this is what we will accomplish in this video. So let's proceed. You can find the initial code from the video description below. So in our app.com UI to do, and in that here we have to do list content, and in this and in our to do list view model here we have this method search on value change. When user type any character in this text field, then this method is triggered and the value will be stored in this search query property and reflected on the UI side. So we need to start fetching the data from the network when user type anything in it. So here we call the method fetchTodos. So this method take search query as a parameter, and by default taking value from this UI state, so we don't need to pass anything in it. So at this point, if we run the app and see how this will behave, so let's run the app. Okay, so our app is up and running. So here if we type this change keyword, and we will be observing different duplicate records here, and if we do it for this learn query, and we are not getting the correct result here, we are getting the duplicate data here. So how we can resolve this? So before that we need to understand what is causing this problem. So in our code here we have this fetchTodos method, and we will understand that how this function is called, or how many is this function called multiple times, and then how we can avoid it. First we need to understand it. So for that we print that information in the log search query, and also print the log at the end of this function, and here we type and keyword and run the app again. And in our logs we use to do list view model to filter it in this this tag referring to do list view model. So during filtering in the logs we use this keyword. So now our app is up and running, and we'll clear these logs and start typing the query. Okay, so here what happening here, that when we start typing in this text field, then for each character there this fetchTodos method is called, and that's why we are seeing the duplicate record, that if query runs against this ch characters, then we get this record. If query runs against CHAN, then we get this record again, and if query run against this complete change keyword, then we again get the same result. So this is the thing which causing this problem, and to resolve this we need to implement the logic in such a way that when user start typing and user have finished the typing, let's say if user want to type change, then after completing that query, user will stop the typing. So after some time, let's say after 2 seconds, we triggered this fetchTodos method to get the data against this search query. So to do that, we go to our this search on value change method, and in here before that we create a variable search query job, and this will be null, and import it, alt enter, and here what we will do is search query job is equal to view model scope dot launch, and in that we will fetch this method. So now again, on each character change, this job will be created. But we want to avoid this part. We want to fetch this method after some time when user stop the typing. So here we use delay of 2000 milliseconds. So this will be 2 seconds. And what we want is when user stop the typing, then after 2 milliseconds this will be called. And before this is being called, if there is any query which is any job which is in pending, then we need to also cancel this, because we don't want to call this fetchTodos method multiple times. If user, let's say, type 3 characters, wait for 1 second, and then type another 2 characters, then we need to cancel the previous job which is triggered. So to do that, what we will do is we will call the cancel method on it and also set null to this variable. So now at this point, if we run the app again, also see the logs as well. Okay, so clearing these initial logs, and now here when I will type change, I stop the typing, and after some time this method is called and we get the data against the query which we want. And if I remove this one, then after 2 seconds this query will run and all the data will be fetched, because this text field is empty. And if I type club, then after 2 seconds this method fetchTodos method call and we get our data against the search query. So this is it for today's video. I hope this would be meaningful information for you. So if you have any query, do let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye.